the Shire's batting here. Somebody hit a 4. The wicketkeeper was Norman Barry, I should say. And I would think Dad might be marking out his run now to bowl. Not a bad one, Dad. Had him guessing. He put the wood on you there, though. We'll get revenge this time. No, he didn't have to play it. They seem to be getting a few runs off you, Dad. Come on, it's about time you got a wicket. You got that one away. This looks like Buddha batting there. Aborigine chap from Walgett. He was a very good bat those days. There's young Evan there, watching the girls walk around the outside. He was on the field, working for us, fielding. That was close, Dad, but not close enough. How's that, Ump? What did he say? We don't know. Not getting too many runs off you, Dad, at least. Put a bit of wood on you that time. Yes, he wasn't a bad bat, young Buddha.